welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video actually features a summer capsule wardrobe type kind of lookbook, but with a pop of color. And basically what I did was I just went through my closet, pulled together a few blazers, dresses, a tank top, a t-shirt, and some bottoms, and paired everything together and made a few outfits. I will say though, some of the items are no longer in stock, but I will definitely try my very best to see if I can find something that's similar. And of course, the items that are currently in stock will be listed below in the description box with the links. But other than that, let's get started. Okay, so for this first outfit, this blazer is from Macy's. It can be purchased through Macys.com, and I do believe it may also be in your local Macy's department, so go check that out. I will say though, it also too does come in a variety of colors. I know I have the colors yellow, red, white. I do have like a fuchsia type kind of color, and I do believe that this color that I'm currently wearing, it is listed as raspberry, and it may also be listed as plum. I'm not quite sure, so please don't quote me on that. And then also too, I like the fact that this blazer, it appears as if it was literally like tailored to fit one's frame. I love the fact that it definitely contours like on the sides to make it just, it gives just that fitted, like that fitted overall type kind of look. And I really, really, really love that. Also too, to mention, it is very, very, very stretchy as well. But yes, I love this blazer. It's great to wear for the summer. You can wear it in the office. You can wear it like maybe out to brunch, to lunch, church, you name it. But yes, I love the blazer. And then also too with the dress, I will say this dress is actually no longer in stock. It was purchased a couple of years ago from Old Navy, and it's basically just an animal type kind of cheetah leopard print kind of like color. But I do actually have this same dress, not of course like the same print, but I do have the same dress in a different color as well from Old Navy. But yes, this is the first outfit. Okay, so for this next outfit, it's basically the exact same thing from the previous outfit. It does feature the same blazer, but just in a different color, which can be purchased through Macys.com or your local Macy's department store. And then also too, this dress was purchased through Old Navy a couple of years ago, and unfortunately it is no longer in stock. But yes, this is the second outfit. So with this next outfit, this is outfit number 3. I paired the same blazer, just in a different color from Macys.com, but like I mentioned before, check your local Macy's department store. It should still be in stock. I did also pair this outfit with just a basic white t-shirt that I purchased from Walmart. I do believe the brand is Time and True. I know these t-shirts, they do come in a variety of colors. I love that they're very stretchy, they're very breathable. Yes, perfect t-shirt to wear on a very hot, sunny summer day. And then also too with the jeans, these jeans can be purchased through AmericanEagle.com or even just in your local American Eagle department store. I love American Eagle jeans. Like I mentioned in my summer video type kind of lookbook, my sister, she definitely put me on to American Eagle jeans. I love the fact that they are so stretchy. They can be styled just any type of way, to be honest. But yes, I definitely, definitely, definitely love this outfit. If I were to wear this outfit, I'd probably wear it maybe, I guess I'd say maybe on like a casual Friday. I'm in the office. If I were allowed to wear jeans, unfortunately I'm not. But yes, I love this outfit. You can definitely make it like a weekend type kind of thing. Like you want to be dressed up, but not like too overly dressed. I would definitely choose this to wear. So yes, this is outfit number 3. Okay, and for this next outfit, this is outfit number 4. The exact same blazer, which can be purchased through Macys.com or your local Macy's department store. And then also too, this dress, it was purchased a couple of years ago through michaelkors.com. So unfortunately, this dress is no longer in stock. But I will say I absolutely love this leopard animal print type kind of dress from Michael Kors. Oh my goodness, it did not disappoint. I love the fact that it's so girly and it's so dainty and it's very stretchy and comfortable. But yes, I do love this outfit. And once again, this is outfit number 4. Okay, and this is outfit number 5. I absolutely love this dress. This dress was actually purchased on my 30th vacation trip to Los Angeles, California from Citadel Outlets from the one and only Michael Kors outlet, of course. But yes, I do love the fact that this particular dress, it does come in a variety of colors. And now I'm really starting to regret the fact that I did not purchase more colors. But oh my gosh, this dress itself, it's very cute. It's very sophisticated. I love how, in a sense, it's really tailored to fit one's frame. Also, too, I love the fact that it has sleeves, but the material of the sleeves, and not just the sleeves, just the dress overall, it is very durable and stretchy. It is a bit on the thicker side, but don't let the thickness of the dress with the material fool you. I definitely would highly recommend for you to purchase this dress. And also too, I will add to the fact with this dress that you don't necessarily have to just wear it for the summer. In all honesty, it can really be worn all year round. But yes, definitely make sure you do check your local Michael Kors outlet store, and then also to check michaelkors.com, because I do know also too, these dresses can be purchased online. But once again, this is outfit number 5. Okay, and with this next outfit, this is outfit number 6. The same blazer, which can be purchased through Macy's.com or your local Macy's department store. Also too, I did purchase this tank top a couple of years ago. It did actually come in a variety of colors, and unfortunately it is no longer in stock. Also, with this outfit, I just paired it with some ankle type kind of style bottoms. I did purchase these through Old Navy. I do know that these are no longer in stock too as well, but I do believe that they have a similar type kind of ankle style bottoms, similar to the ones that I am wearing. But yes, this is outfit number 6. Okay, and with outfit number 7, this is just a basic black dress that I purchased through fashionnova.com. I do know for certain that this dress is definitely still in stock. I do love the fact that this dress is very simple, but yet it also too gives a sophisticated vibe type kind of style. I do like the fact that this dress is very stretchy, it's breathable. I like the length of the dress. You could definitely wear this to the office, you could wear it to church, you could wear it pretty much anywhere. But yes, I do love this dress, and once again, this is outfit number 7. Okay, and with outfit number 8, this blazer was actually purchased through an H&M department store. Unfortunately, it is no longer in stock. Also too, this top was purchased through an Old Navy department store, and sadly it too is out of stock, and I do apologize about that, you guys. But of course, you could definitely check out your local H&M and Old Navy department stores and see if you can find something similar. And then also too, don't forget, you can search through H&M.com as well as OldNavy.com to find something similar. And then also too, with these bottoms, they are more so like ankle cropped topped bottoms that I did actually purchase through Walmart. I do believe that these are actually still in stock, because I did purchase these actually last year at my local Walmart store. And then of course, obviously, you could always check on walmart.com too as well. Thank you so much for watching my summer capsule wardrobe lookbook for 2022. Like I mentioned earlier before, some of these pieces are no longer in stock, but I will try my very best to see if I can find things that are similar. And of course, for those pieces that are in stock, I will have them listed and linked below in the description box. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, bye!